Yeah, so CBC has made us into crazy beings, man. We become warriors. We made spears the other day, shields,
Yes.
crazy stuff. And see your garden, man. It's amazing, right?
Yeah, my kitchen garden.
Oh, wow. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, Daisy. Daisy is part of the kitchen as well. So, man, we need to do something. And I think part of why CBC seems to be nice and interesting is just this, apart from so many other things, right?
Yes.
How do you like it so far, CBC?
It is fun. You can learn more things about life. You can learn how to build things.
Yes.
Planting. You can learn how to mulch, weed, irrigation.
Talk of mulching, man. How do you mulch? Like how does it happen? Like literally.
You use dead grass, put around the plant like this.
Is it? Nice. How does that help?
It helps.
You know, I did this when I was agriculture, man. I was doing agriculture way back in school.
It helps in soil erosion.
It controls, huh?
And it helps in water erosion,
Retention.
detention.
Yeah, so that water doesn't evaporate, right?
Yeah. And it helps in
Yeah.
the water does not hit the plant in force.
Yeah, with force. So when you're irrigating.
Yeah.
Whoa, nice. Baba, look at your shamba now. See, there's loads and loads of other plants, things that we didn't even plant. Look at this. What would this be?
A weed.
That's a weed. So what's?
Even this.
Yeah, man. Oh, in agriculture, when I studied agriculture back in the day in secondary school, we actually studied the difference between weeds and good crops. So what do weeds do? And we can check them out. What do weeds do?
They eat the plant's roots.
So
And
they
they
actually
take the water from
yeah. So
the
they're in
plant.
competition with crops, right?
Yeah.
And which makes it bad for the normal crops to actually grow. So whenever we find them, what do? We check them out. It's a big weed, man. Check that out. Yeah, see you mboga here. That's terere right there, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So do you think CBC has helped, like, beyond just this is called agriculture, right?
Yeah.
So beyond that, how has it helped? I mean, with
Yeah.
yeah. So we check this out, right? I can see the snail. Yeah. So there was this time you're telling me about the benefits of, is it irrigation?
Yeah.
How does it happen?
There's types of irrigation like baskets, pipes. Yeah. Many.
You do the weeding, help. Oh, don't just relax. So as you talk, so there's different types of irrigation where
Yeah.
you use.
Where you can use pipes, baskets, many more.
Yeah. And so what's the benefit of using, say, pipes as opposed to basket?
It helps that you don't put a lot of water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can, if it's scarce, water is scarce, when you use now pipes, you can. You said it's actually drip, right?
Yeah.
So it can drip directly into the roots of the plants,
Yeah.
and so it helps in conservation of water, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Even bottles.
Even bottles.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. And when you learnt about now farming under CBC, it's under agriculture, how would that help, like, others? Like,
It will help in kitchen gardens. Let's say you're from work,
yeah.
you are tired, you came back late, there's no shops open. You can get food from your kitchen garden.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lovely. And now it looks like our shamba is clean. You know this? When I was growing up, this is what you call amaranthus. Now there's weeds that are actually healthy, really.
Yeah.
when we were growing up, you'd find this one. See, we didn't even plant these ones.
Yes.
So
This.
amaranth, yeah, we didn't plant them. But you know, we also eat them. You go to the market, you'll find these ones.
Yeah.
This one, you don't even plant them. But you've seen them being sold in the market, yeah?
Yes.
The open market or groceries, right?
Yes.
This is called amaranthus. Now, when I was in school, in agriculture, they taught us that amaranthus, they're weeds, yes, but they're actually healthy. Like, they're weeds that are actually food, source of food, like this amaranthus species, right?
Yeah.
Amazing stuff.
They are
So this,
smooth. Very smooth.
definitely. So that's why we actually don't take them out, right? So let's continue doing a bit here, and then we go harvest. Yeah, it is, man. Yes, it is. See, lovely. So we'll take that for our the veggies for the night. Mix it with sukuma wiki, and that's quite balanced and yummy, right?
Yeah.
And then next, yeah, this now looks a lot better. So then,
We can go to the other side.
well done. I know you are looking for your fruits, but let's see how your bananas look like now. So you said, oh, and this is exactly what you're talking about when you did a bit of mulching here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I can see your tomatoes are flowering. Like, see that? They're actually flowering. So in the next few, you'll be having lots and lots of that. Good. How's it right, man?